Welcome to your complete guide for becoming a Florida notary in 2026. Good news, Florida does not require an exam to become a notary public. However, Florida does require mandatory education, a 3-hour approved course that covers notary duties and regulations. The application process is handled through the Florida Department of State. Here are the requirements at a glance. You must be at least 18 years old and a legal resident of Florida. You'll need to complete a 3-hour mandatory education course, which Florida offers for free from the Department of State. You'll also need a $7,500 surety bond. The application fee is $39, and your commission lasts 4 years. Why become a Florida notary? There's high demand in Florida with its large population constantly needing notary services. Remote online notarization has been legal since 2020. You can charge up to $10 per standard act and $25 for RON. Plus, the 4-year commission means less frequent renewals. Here's the step-by-step process. First, meet the eligibility requirements. Second, complete the mandatory 3-hour education course. Third, obtain your $7,500 surety bond, which typically costs $30 to $50 for the 4-year term. Fourth, submit your application to the Florida Department of State with the $39 fee. Fifth, after approval, take your oath of office within 30 days. And finally, purchase your notary seal and supplies. Here are 5 topics to know. First, understand the education requirement and that Florida offers the course free. Second, memorize the fee limits, $10 standard, $25 for RON. Third, know your seal requirements, including your name, commission number, and expiration date. Fourth, understand the difference between acknowledgments and jurats. And fifth, learn remote online notarization procedures if you plan to offer RON services. Ready to become a Florida notary? Start your free prep today at openexamprep.com.